Flowclear Solar Pool Cover, 427 centimeters or 14 feet. Unboxing and cut to size. (427 centimeters or 14 feet). The two joints is sewn. (136 centimeters or 53.5 inch between the joints). (427 centimeters or 14 feet cover laid out in my 398 centimeters or 13 feet pool. Folded again and again and again. (396 centimeters divided by 2 is equal to 198 centimeters. 156 inch divided by 2 is equal to 78 inch. Universal knife. It didn't work as planned. I should have used a snap-off blade knife instead. I try with scissors instead. The scissors worked better, but not great. I put it in the pool and realized that 398 centimeters or 13 feet is the external measure of the pool. Inside the pool, it's 380 centimeters or 150 inch. So I cut it again at 190 centimeters or 75 inch. It needs some adjustments, but I'm satisfied for the moment. (81.5 degrees Fahrenheit or 27.5 degrees Celsius).